Hallo, Hallöchen und damit herzlich willkommen zu einem neuen kleinen Projekt auf meinem Kanal. Nennt sich Kelvin and the Infamous Machine, also Kelvin und die unglaubliche Maschine. War im App Store gerade im Angebot, ich glaube von 5 Euro noch was auf 99 Cent runtergesetzt. Und die Bilder hatten mich schon früher angesprochen und da das jetzt so runtergesetzt war, habe ich mir gedacht, kaufst du das mal? Und ja, ich bin gespannt, was das für ein Spielchen sein wird. Kapitel 1, Fifth. Null Fortschritt.
The brilliant yet chronically overlooked Dr. Edwin Lupin culminates his research into the nature of time itself. Helped by his dedicated assistant Lise and Kelvin, Lupin constructs the world's first functioning time machine, which, for complicated science reasons, looks exactly like a portable shower. When the Science Journal publishes its list of the year's greatest inventions, the time machine is curiously absent. Oh wait, there it is. Winner of the lamest invention award. Ridiculed for its appearance, the judges have dubbed it the infamous machine. Dr. Lupin, of course, accepts this setback with grace and dignity. For about 2 seconds, driven to madness, he launches himself into the past, bent on stealing credit for humanity's greatest inventions. Can the bumbling Kelvin, driven by a basic understanding of right and wrong, repair the unraveling timeline? Or will he totally blow it and doom the universe to oblivion?
Eine interessante Geschichte, muss ich sagen. Ja, und viele Zeitmaschinen sehen ja so aus. Da steht schon jemand. Wien 1804. In dem Türsteher, okay. Okay. Ich sag da jetzt nichts dazu.
We're 10 seconds in and the game already has an 18 plus rating.
Kelvin? Kelvin, can you hear me?
Ah! Lise?
Kelvin, you're alive. Are you alright?
Well, the water pressure was a little low for my taste, but...
Kelvin, focus. Where are you? What do you see?
Looks like downtown somewhere. France, maybe?
Okay, good. The system says you're actually in Austria.
Austria? Boy, good time,
Austria, Kelvin, not Australia. And it's 1804.
So, why did Lupin come here?
Likely he was after Beethoven.
The dog!
The composer, Kelvin. According to history, Ludwig von Beethoven penned just 4 symphonies before retiring in 1804. It's statistically improbable that a man of his genius would end his career so suddenly.
You're saying Lupin messed with Beethoven so he could write the rest of the symphonies himself?
Exactly. You need to find Beethoven and get him to write his 5th symphony.
Got it. So, what does the symphony sound like?
Who knows? It's been erased from history. Kelvin, the connection's breaking up. Good luck! Don't do anything stupid!
Herumlaufen. Tippe auf jeden beliebigen Platz, zu dem du gehen möchtest, damit Kelvin dorthin läuft. Interagieren. Tippe auf Leute oder Gegenstände, um mit ihnen zu interagieren. Aufgehobene Gegenstände werden im Inventar aufbewahrt. Inventar. Tippe auf den Rucksack, um das Inventar zu öffnen und zu schließen. Dann tippe auf einen Gegenstand, um ihn auszuwählen. Benutze die Lupe, um den ausgewählten Gegenstand zu untersuchen. Um einen Gegenstand zu benutzen, wähle ihn aus dem Inventar, zeige auf die Umgebung und dann tippe dort, wo er benutzt werden soll. Gegenstände lassen sich kombinieren, indem du einen von ihnen im Inventar anwählst und dann einen zweiten Gegenstand antippst. Hotspots, okay. Gut, dann laufen wir jetzt einfach mal die Straße entlang.
Yeah, I'm no buggy expert, but whoever owns this one can definitely afford to pay for parking. Free parking? What a bargain!
Hold it, kid. You're staying out here until you meet the dress code.
Ah ja, okay. Das heißt, wir werden uns irgendwie umziehen müssen. Der sucht jetzt im Müll rum, interessant. Jetzt hat er einen
Reigning state trash ball champion right here.
Ja, ich sag dazu nichts. Okay, da geht's dann da rein. Gehen wir aber erstmal hier hin.
It's a shamelessly anachronistic gumball machine. Yep, it's an emergency bottle of water.
Ja.
Wow, they really captured his creepy overcaffeinated essence. Whatever. I once saw him try to eat a burrito like it was corn on the cob. Whoa, a Stradivarius! That's like the Stradivarius of violins!
Put that back!
Okay, die können wir nehmen, aber wir müssen den wahrscheinlich irgendwie ablenken.
Ticketed patrons only. Thank you.
Is there a concert going on in there?
There is.
Can I go in?
You cannot. Tickets are sold out.
How do you know I don't have a ticket?
Call it a hunch. Ticketed patrons only.
Okay. Nicht mal zur Garderobe können wir, aber da müssen wir hin, um uns umzuziehen.
Those candles are really stuck in there.
Mal gucken, was haben wir denn da drin? Gar nichts. Doch so viel. Eine Vase.
I think I hear something moving around in there.
You there, little boy?
Are you talking to me?
Well, Sonny?
Dude, I'm 26.
Well, don't you have quite the imagination?
Are you serious? Wait a minute. Is this the ring toss?
Indeed it is.
Oh boy! Can I play mister? Please?
Oh, of course, Sonny. If you've got a few coins to spare, that is.
Oh man, it's always something. What's with the creepy vase over there?
Oh, that? It belongs to the snake charmer.
Is he on break?
I'm afraid he's in the hospital. He had a touch too much of the drink and tried charming the flute by playing the cobra.
Whoops.
Ich glaube, wenn wir die Flöte haben, dann können wir die Kobra beschwören.
What do I get if I win?
Tonight's prize is a ticket to the acclaimed Vienna Symphony.
Whoa, fancy.
You bet your bottom.
So kommen wir dann also dahin.
Could I play just once without paying? Where I'm from, they let you play a little for free, and then suddenly you can't stop.
I'm afraid not, lad. Portly carnival workers need to eat too. You understand?
Bye, ring toss dude.
Come back anytime.
Ja, irgendwann.
Cool, whack-a-mole. Oh, it's busted. You never really stop to think about the moles while you're whacking them. Whoa, are you a fortune teller?
You got it. Fortunes, divinations, and prophetic prognostications. Only thing I don't do is palm reading. Oh, refunds.
Could you tell my fortune? Huh?
Oh, wish I could. But a dark and terrible evil has rendered me powerless.
A ghost is draining you of your spiritual aura?
Nah, some jerk tourist ran off with my crystal ball.
Didn't see that coming, did you?
What can I say? Divination is a mysterious and fickle craft.
Any idea where I could find Beethoven?
Is that a street?
I'm gonna take that as a no. Have you seen visions of what the world will be like in 200 years?
Sure have. Crazy place. Mechanical carriages speed around without needing horses to pull them. There's all sorts of delicious sugary foods, but people keep eating kale for some reason. Oh, and everybody has a magic rectangle that they use to send each other pictures of their privates.
Wow, you're good.
Ja, ich bin selber erstaunt.
Come on, can't you do a really basic fortune without your crystal ball?
I don't know. Can you build a really basic castle without any rocks?
Point taken. See you later.
I know.
Test your might. Test your might. Test.
Okay.
Huh. Looks like I just missed the rainstorm.
Kann man da hinten vielleicht noch hin? Nee. Okay, dann wieder zur Hauptstraße. Kann man hier vorne hin?
Hold it, kid. You're staying out here until you meet the dress code. Hold it, kid.
Kann ich hier vielleicht noch weiter? Nee. Okay, ich brauche den Dresscode, den ich von hier drinnen bekomme, um in die Bar zu kommen. Um die Eintrittskarte dafür zu bekommen, brauche ich die Flöte. Ich muss etwas anstelle der Flöte hinlegen.
Hey, that's my Definator 6000!
Okay.
Reigning state trash ball champ.
Gut, ich dachte, da kommt jetzt noch was. Auch ein Häschen wie
Who
sie.
needs video games? Tomorrow night only, Maestro Matthew S. Francis performs his celebrated yawning concerto. Huh. Wonder why Lupin skipped this guy.
Wie kommen wir hier ran? Da ist ein Hammer.
Wow. Good thing this is... Wow. Well, it's an emergency bottle of water behind the strongest glass in the world.
Ernsthaft? Das geht nicht kaputt? Geht
Oh my
tatsächlich
God.
nicht kaputt. Okay, wir haben einen Hammer. Vielleicht geht das ja kaputt.
It's a... no, I'm pretty sure I'd get thrown in a dungeon or something.
Ich habe da eine Idee. Und zwar vielleicht mit dem, auch wenn es ein kleiner Hammer ist, kann man ja hier diese Kraft oder vielleicht hier, hau den Mulch.
Yikes. That mole has seen some things. You never... No, I think he's had enough.
Okay.
You're as weak as an inept research assistant. Guilty as charged.
Vielleicht beim zweiten Mal. Nee.
You're as weak as an inept research assistant. Guilty as charged.
Test your might.
Huh. Looks like I just...
Kann ich damit noch was anderes kaputt machen? Ob ich die Schlange damit befreien kann?
And ruin a perfectly good vase?
Naja, so toll ist die jetzt auch nicht. Irgendwas muss ich ja damit kaputt machen können.
No, I'm pretty sure I'd get thrown in a dungeon or something.
Okay.
Put that back!
Okay. Vielleicht muss man da oben irgendwie das Licht ausmachen, dann täte das ja nicht sehen. Und wobei... Gut, das geht leider auch nicht. Mann, Mann, Mann.
I don't think that will work.
Was habe ich da jetzt drin? Oh, okay. Das hier kaputt. Nein, zurück. Das hier wieder, denke ich mal, kaputt machen.
I didn't go back in time just to break stuff.
Okay, dann halt nicht. Auf jeden Fall haben wir ihre Zauberkugel. Ich hoffe mal, das reicht, ja.
Will this work for a crystal ball replacement?
Hey, thanks. This should work great. Let me repay the favor with a complimentary fortune.
Complimentary as in free, right?
That's the one.
Awesome!
The shapes are indistinct. Your fate seems yet undecided. Wait, never mind. Somebody's definitely going to shoot you.
What? Are you serious?
Yep, it's right there in the ball.
Whatever happened to divination is a mysterious and fickle craft?
This time it was mysteriously clear.
Oh, man. Well, thanks, I guess.
Tell your friends.
Wie das war's.
Are you sure somebody's gonna shoot me?
Sure as it gets. Now beat it. I don't want to die in the crossfire.
I'm not sure how those go together. I don't think that will work.
Okay. Dann mit der Kerze. Werden wir, glaube ich, hier reingehen müssen. Genau.
Yeah, that's probably so.
Witzig.
Put that back!
Okay. Wir haben jetzt eine Kerze. Können wir hier was erhellen?
Yeah, but whoever...
Wir haben Hammer und eine Kerze. Kann ich mich kaputt machen? Okay. Muss ich vielleicht hier die Lampe anzünden? Hier vorne die? Nee, die kann ich gar nicht anklicken. Okay. Mann, Mann, Mann. Irgendwas wird hier doch wohl noch sein müssen.
Cool, whack-a-mole.
$1.
Yikes. That mole has seen some things. I'm not sure how those go together. I don't think that will work. I don't think he'd like me changing the price of his game.
Okay. Vielleicht kann ich mit dem Schild ja hier was drin machen.
No, I'd rather not. Whoa. No, I'd rather not. Is there a concert going on in there? Can I... Howdy.
Am I supposed to be impressed?
Ja, es würde mir zumindest besser gehen.
Mm-hmm. Ah, cool, crisp. It's all in. Let's... Right?
Okay, das geht auch nicht. Mann, Mann, Mann.